Wola 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 Shapfiri Uzit Mzansi. Thank you for tuning in to Everything SAD Ski. On this one today we got you Mbogazi News. But before we jump straight ahead into Mbogazi's news, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn notification bell, leave your thought comment below the section. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Mbogazi is no prisoner. Mackenzie defends record breaking move. South African Minister of Sport Gayton McKenzie has thrown his full weight behind Mbegezeli Mbogazi blockbuster move to Major League Soccer side Chicago Fire, dismissing concerns raised by Bafana Bafana coach Hugh Bros. Speaking to the media at OR Tambo International, McKenzie hailed the transfer reportedly worth $3 million, which is 51 million rands in South African currency, as a historic, praising both the player and his agent BS Michaels for securing a record-breaking deal. Let me tell you something. The agent of Mbogazi did the best thing. Mbogazi is the highest paid. Nobody has ever sold for that type of money in South Africa. How? Show me any other player that was paid that amount. No one, absolutely no one. Gayton McKenzie rejected suggestions that moving to MLS was a step down, pointing to the league rapid growth and global attention ahead of the 2026 World Cup, FIFA World Cup. Why are we acting like Mbogazi is in jail now in the US League? The US League is one of the fastest growing in the world. We mustn't underestimate it. The fact that the World Cup is going there brings attention to the league. I think it was a great move. The minister also drew parallels with South African legend Benny McCarthy's career path, reminding critics that McCarthy moved across clubs in Europe and South Africa before cementing his legacy. Benny went from Celta Vigo, Ajax, Cape Town, Pirates. People paid for him, so why not? It's always so difficult for women in men's world. The lady has beaten all the male agents out here. They were selling players for peanuts. She comes with the biggest offer. How do we criticize Mbogazi? Is one of the greatest defenders I've seen. Whoever wants him should go buy him. If Europe teams want him, let them pay more. Mbogazi's money. Everybody makes more money. I bless the move. That's the words that's coming from Gayton McKenzie. Do you believe or do you trust the opinion of Gayton McKenzie? Just please let me know what you think about this news down below the comment section. From your boy Isaac Waisom, nice from Darwin Chu.
Nice game against the Buccaneers. Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is